All right, so what you have to do, right click here, new item, black video. And now what we have to do is here, we have to look for, and also let's grab this black video and drag it onto your video in the timeline actually. And now we have the black video here in the timeline, and we have to head over to effects, and here in the effects in the search bar, write tint. And here where it says color correction, you should find here tint, drag it onto your video. So drag it onto your video on this black video, and now here in the effects control, here we should have the black, the tint, and here we should change from black to white. And now what I have to do, I would like to add some text. So press on the keyboard T or select your text, and let's add some text. Now if I start typing some letters, there's nothing, and that's because here where it says text, expand this with the text, our text is actually white, so we have to change to black, and now we can see our text. Also, I'm gonna paste the text here. Around like this, and now we have our text. Actually, let's delete this part so I can increase text around like this. Now we can change from here, so text is in the middle or parallax on the left side. Okay, and now the next step, what we have to do is I'm just gonna drag this to layer 3, and I'm just gonna grab this video, this black video, and hold Alt and drag up. This will create a copy. Now the next step is to select the video, black video, where we apply the tint effect, and click here and select the highlight. Of course, I'm gonna go with the yellow color. Select this one, and here where you see uniform scale, uncheck this button and change the scale. Okay, here uncheck this and make sure you change the scale about like this. And I would like to highlight this portion. If you want it's very slow, hold the control. Okay, now I'd like to highlight this portion. And now to add the animation, what you have to do, now to add animation to your video, what you can do is actually use the mask tool. So just add a mask there. And now I'm just gonna do this and this. So we have here the mask revealed. So we're gonna add the keyframe here. Now at the end, if you select, click on the mask and you drag like this, now you should have this animation. Very simple. Now if you want to pull this like this, so you have this effect, you can add some feather maybe. If you want this lower, or maybe you want to add some, you have here, you can copy and paste. So from here, you have some couple of options to actually delete the keyframe, or to paste, or clear, or undo, as you can see. Now another method we can also, I'm just gonna delete this keyframe and this mask, and I'm gonna go to effects, and I'm gonna write here copy crop, and drag this crop effect to our black video, the one here. And now here we should have crop, and here you see the right, as you can see, so we can actually animate this. So what you can do, I'm just gonna move this around here, and here I'm gonna grab the other side, and now we have again this highlight effect. And to make this look even better, in my opinion, what you can do actually to use the texture, paper texture. So I'm just gonna import this texture, and I'm gonna move this here, and now I can select this texture effect and add multiply, and this looks really good. You can even, if you want the texture, or let's say you like the texture, so you can increase. You can add maybe, you can add some sharp effects, so texture looks like this. And now you can also go to here to opacity, the black video, and change to multiply and decrease the opacity maybe, if you don't want this too much of opacity, from here to here. And yeah, I really hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.